Kind of hard to see because this isn't a wide angle lens. This place is pretty cleared out.
Dead or alive, G.O.D. feel the need to wake up. I can't help if I'm stuck on the shelf. Remind me to stay up, no luck, you want help to realize you the top gotta up.
We are in the old skid steer. My buddy's dad, Casey's dad, let me borrow his skid steer because I've got a lot of work I need to do on the property, trying to get ready kinda to sell it. And as you can see back there, we are in the shop. We have enough room in the shop now. I've been very busy. It's been a long process with a messed up shoulder and lots of brakes and lots of LaCroix. This thing has kind of a brake right here, right? I don't know. I'm probably moving just as much as that is, but this whole cage on the inside, because this cage is separate from the outside cage, and it jiggles back and forth. Super annoying. And I can see somebody's attempted to fix it before. So I think since he let us borrow this, we're gonna fix this the right way. Get this gusset in here and get this figured out right here. So let's get to it. And the other thing, as soon as I get this done, I'm pulling the Jeep in and we're doing it. This is getting out of the way, so it's fixed. I feel like I kinda, not that I owe him, but I feel like it's a nice thing to do. You borrow somebody's equipment, you know, you fill it up, you keep it clean, you clean it when you give it back. And in my case, I can fix that, so I'm gonna fix it. So I think the plan, this is a little leftover piece. We'll put it on the floor for now, just in case I need it later. And I think what we're gonna do is grab some cardboard, some thin stuff, shove it up in there, trace it out. Holy smokes. Oh, shut up. You don't even have a key in. What are you doing? Now my goal here is to not change anything with the headroom because I'd like to just keep it tucked up. The other thing is it's got its whole control panel up here and I don't know how easy this is gonna be to get out. I found some of this nice thin cardboard. And I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put everything back up in here and we're gonna weld it in the machine because it's just not gonna come out of there. Okay, that should be pretty close to what we need. I think we're gonna freehand this on the old cheap Chinese plasma cutter. Cut it out with this beautiful little beast. Something like $400 or $500, and it's a piece of junk, but it'd do the job. This thing has a knob to change the ampacity, but we just leave her cranked. Man, it's like a machine did it, because I'm a machine. Oh yeah, that's how you know you cut a good hole. Just rips it right out of your hands. All right, so we're gonna go bolt this back up in the machine, bolt that piece back up, get this welded in, and then we'll do our little support beam. I think we are gonna go get the die grinder because there's a spot on there I'd like to hit a little better. And the other side, didn't notice until I was taking it off, has a cracked piece too. So we're just gonna get that back on there and hopefully our support will take all of that. All right, we got a sanding wheel on here. Got it cleaned up good enough to get it welded. It ain't gonna be the prettiest welds, but it'll stay for a little bit. Man, I can't feel nothing with gloves on, if you know what I'm saying. This is gonna fall on my head. I promise you I did not do that on purpose, but it might help if I put it in the right hole. There was 2 holes, they're right next to each other. How was I supposed to know? Some of this, we're just gonna have to tack it in place, get it close, and then get the bolt out of the way. And by some places, I mean just this one, probably. Okay, let's get the welder out, get this one tacked into place. So I've been searching and searching around this thing, looking for the battery. Thought it might be under the seat or under that tunnel. Nope. Thought it might be in the back here, behind the door. Nope. This was pre-existing. Somebody fixed it, but I ended up finding it way down in there. So I'm not gonna try to position the camera to where you can see that at the same time as I see it. So you're just gonna hang out here while I have the time of my life. The real hard part about this is I can't reach the ground, which is what I wanted to take off. Is this the same bolt that I'm loosening? Why can I not take this off with my hand? One sec. The right tool for the job. This is a ratcheting finger wrench. We are officially cleared to weld. All right, we're gonna get this side tacked. Hopefully, this one. All right. Might help if there was a ground. Okay, that's mediocre at best. I think I'm gonna go get the air gun. Keep this stuff kind of cool because I don't want to get too hot back in there. Alright, I think we're doing pretty good now. I think I'm going to take some time to clean this up, clean all these welds up so you guys can't see them. Grinder and paint makes me the man I ain't. Alright, we got this bad boy put up in there. So we're going to get this welded on here and get it ground wherever it'll let us. So we're going to get this up in here so it's out of the way. It's all done. Got our brace in here. Got these plates put back on. I think we're just gonna wire wheel it later. And I'm gonna get some of this paint that's close to this and we'll just paint it and get it close. I think he'll be happy with that. Either that or he'll absolutely hate it and I'll never be able to borrow anything again. Stay tuned to find out. We're gonna hop in here, get this thing started up. See if this bad boy rattles still or if we're good. Normally when I would drive down this way, it would make sound. Oh, it's so much better. No sound at all. I don't know how well you can hear me, but it's good. We did a good job. Okay, love you, bye. We're just getting her all painted up and the repair will be complete. We got her all done, painted, and finished up. There's a little bit of hard paint lines, but those will blend in soon enough.
Dead or alive, G.O.D. feel the need to wake up. I can't help if I'm stuck on the shelf. Remind me to stay up, no luck, you want help to realize you the top, gotta up for yourself. I'm ready to dig with my feet made of clay. I pray to the Lord, every blessing is get you. And play for a B, got it ready to rise. You can die for the ones that I love out of spaz. Don't tell me shit, I know